In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make subtitles all caps in DaVinci Resolve. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I'm using DaVinci Resolve 21 right here, the one that's in public beta. And I also have the video and the subtitle file I want to work with. Now, I'll just drag and drop them in the media pool. I can just click on change the frame rate and then just right click and create new timeline using the selected clip. I can just do that and ensure that the start time code is 0, because the SRT file that I have here is already timed based on more or less 000 and all that. You can also change that in preferences so that once you're working on a project, it always begins at 0000. Now our video is on the timeline right there. I'll just drag and drop our subtitle on this particular track right here, and I think it already syncs as I can see somewhere here. Yeah, that is where it begins, so that's okay. Now these are our subtitles, and I can just click one block, and right here we have the inspector if you want to make edits to your caption, and I can just click on this expand button so that we have a couple of options here. So you can either make all captions right here on the timeline caps, or you can choose the one that you want. Now, to make a selection of just, let's say, maybe something like this first one, I'll need to click on it. And when you're in the caption tab right here, click on customize caption. And once you do that, a whole bunch of array of things come up, like the caption style. So you can change the font family, the font face and all that. But the font case here is of importance. So you can change this to all caps. And as you can see, our first one here is now all caps. The second one is mixed. The third one is mixed. The fourth one is mixed. Now, let's say we take this back to a mixed form of font case. Let's assume we want to make all our subtitles right here all caps. So I'll just select them right there, go to track. Now I'm from caption, I go to track, and from here style and position, font case, all caps. I'll just select that. It should change. Could be the reason for the first one is because I made a couple of edits. Let me see. Yeah, because it was left as all mixed because of the customization. So that's more or less something you need to take a note of. I'll just click on all caps and it goes to all caps, and it now adheres to what we have right there for the all caps. So that is how you can make subtitles in DaVinci Resolve all caps, or even just maybe one subtitle block. And for example, this one, I can click on customize and then I choose let's say all lowercase. So you can have a couple of different options there to work with on your project. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.